Hop on in, J-Lo. That a girl. Get nice and clean. Oh my goodness. Look at you standing right in the water. That is one silly looking canary. You're almost going scuba diving. Yeah, look at you. You gonna go back in for another dip? Your mama's best bather. Oh, there she goes again. J-Lo, you're a funny baby. Everybody else is just kind of looking at you, waiting their turn. Oh, one last little second here. Oh, that a good girl, J-Lo. Tina. There's another one waiting back over there, too, that wants a turn. What? Are you saying hurry up? Alright. I guess I'll be filling that up a few times. Have fun, J-Lo.